Last week, our client sent us an urgent order. 30 pieces of shops, 72 hours deadline. We didn't say maybe, we just said let's go. 1 hour for drawing conversion. 2 hours for equipment setup. 3 hours for production. Speed without precision is usually every component 3 times real-time inspection to meet the tolerance plus or minus 0.005 millimeter. No delays, no excuse, just do this. The part is undergoing the last inspection before shipment. We finished 30 parts of shops in 24 hours. No defects, 100% compliant with customers' requirements. In the last 71 hours, the goods have been sent out. Customer receive and respond. You have saved my project. We don't just deliver parts, we deliver peace of mind.